Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video I will show you how to add Google Analytics to Elementor.
Plugins for WP. WordPress premium plugins and themes for an affordable price.
Alright, so in this tutorial we will show you both ways, the free version of Elementor and Elementor Pro. Regardless which version you are using, we will need first to go to Google Analytics and into the admin panel to grab our tracking code. So let's go to our data streams, and here we'll need to click on the property that we entered. And for example, this is our pluginizer.com website, and here we'll need to expand this tag, and this is the tag that we'll need to copy. So you can click on the copy to clipboard icon over here, then go to your Elementor website and click on edit with Elementor. Now the downside of the free version of Elementor is that you will need to paste this code and repeat the process for every page that you would like to track. So this is the Elementor free version. I'm going to look for the HTML code. I'm going to drag it to the bottom of every page, and I will paste the code over here on the left side. And once I did, I will click on update, just like so, and I will go back to the analytics dashboard in order to verify that the code was pasted successfully. I will just click on the reports, and here under the reports we can see that under real time we have data already drawing from the website, as you can see over here. So the code was pasted successfully, which is excellent. This is great. Now that's a long process if you'd like to track every page of your website. However, if you have Elementor Pro version, it's way easier. Let's go back to the back end of our website. Here under Elementor custom code, we will click on add new in order to add the custom code. Here we will give it a name. For example, I will call this code Google Analytics, and we have the option to choose where to paste the code. The analytics one go into the head tag. We'll paste the code over here and we'll click on publish. We can trigger to show it on the entire website, just like so. We're getting this green feedback notifying us that the code was pasted successfully. Now let's refresh our analytics dashboard to make sure the code is working as it should. Before wrapping things up, I would like to show you how to get any premium WordPress plugin or theme for 97% off the original price. Just go to pluginsforwp.com and click on the download free in order to download our free plugin manager that we developed. After you downloaded it, go back to your WordPress website, into plugins, add new, upload plugin, and over here choose and upload the plugin that you just downloaded from us. Click install and then activate the plugin. Then go to the new plugins for WP tab that was added to your WordPress sidebar. Browse between the thousands plugins and themes that we are offering. If you are looking for a specific one, type it over here and the results will appear in front of you. Browse the search results and find the item that you were looking for. When you found it, just click on purchase. You will be redirected to our cart, where you can purchase this plugin for only $4.99, which is 97% off the original price. If you are looking to get multiple items, consider getting one of our unlimited downloads plans and enjoy unlimited downloads for only $12.97 a month or $87 a year. Alright guys, so thank you very much for watching my video. Please, if you have any questions, let me know by leaving a comment in the comment box down below. You also have the link to the written blog post in the description box down below. I will see you all in my next video.